name is Princessa Latheresya Sembiring. In this video, I want to do my terms assignment, that is describing pictures. Here we go. We are given four different pictures, and here I will explain the third picture. So in the first part, there is a blue sky with a white plane in the sky, and below the plane there are two brown hills, and behind them there are green pine trees, and near the hill there is red, white, and blue train passing there. Near the hill there is also a Mary school with white and green Mary school. In front of the school there is a big green tree, and a small park with two trash, two trash cans, greens and blue. And there's a woman with blonde hair, wearing pink clothes, holding a boy with blue hair. This. And on the left chair is a red this butter soap and green vegetable soap. And in front of this soap, there is a man in blue shirt pushing a pink baby trolley. And in the second part, on the right, there is a cream-colored building or beauty salon. And next to it, there is a green garden with a small green tree. This and a brown fence. This. And next to the fan, there is a woman with blonde hair in a pink dress carrying an orange shopping bag. In front of the salon building, there is a woman with brown hair and purple clothes, and beside her, there is a pile of rubies or bottles. And in the third part, in a busy street with car and bicycle driver, there is a yellow bus with four children in the bus with three boys and one girl. In front of the bus, there is a green car with a man driver, wearing a red shirt. And in front of the green car, there is a red car with three people. In it, father, mother, and their son. Next to the red car, there is a blue car in the opposite direction with a man driving in red shirt. And behind the blue car, there is a man riding a blue bicycle and wearing pink clothes. And in front of the car, there is a green car with four people in the car. A woman driving with her three children. And in front of the car, the green car, there is a man driving an orange bicycle with green clothes. On the left, there is a zebra crossing with a man directing the road. This wearing a yellow and gray coat and wearing a yellow hat. And he is also holding a traffic sign in his hand. And in the last part, across the road, on the left near the zebra crossing, there are men and women holding their children to cross the road. And behind them, there are two small children with backpacks on their backs, wearing white clothes. And behind them, there are a man with backpack on his back, carrying a book in his hand. Behind him, there is a man wearing a red hat, green clothes, and holding a dog leash with a brown dog. Behind the man, there are two teachers, one and two, leading children in yellow clothes that, that they wear together. The teacher is carrying a yellow bag, and children holding pink, purple, and red bags. And that's all from me, and I say thank you.